Oh man, that actually makes you feel sick in the stomach. So episode 2, we're on the way to the shop. So we've got a 3-litre sleeved block for a G80 M3 rear-wheel drive. That's going into Bailey's single turbo. That's going to be a cool build.
Yep.
And then we've got Gabriel's M140i.
So we're here with Gabriel's B58 engine. We're in the process of building. This one's got forged pistons and rods, Darton sleeves, ARP main studs, head studs. Got our custom proven fire rings, ARP girdle bolts, and we've got a full CNC port and polished head with GSC cams, valves, springs and retainers. The customers also supplied us with a Vargas billet rocket cover.
And then we've got something special, something even more special.
Yes, we've got Australia's first 3.4 litre S58 stroker
Yeah.
that we're doing, which is fully sleeved, 3.4 stroker, also getting port and polished head.
But that's going into an interesting car. So that's going to be, I'm pretty confident in saying, Australia's fastest hybrid turbo S58.
Yeah,
100%.
it's getting all the bells and whistles.
That's going to be an absolute weapon to drive on the street. So 3.4 litre with
Hybrid turbos.
with brand new hybrid turbos, which from the flow data we've seen, we reckon that will flow between 1,000 and 1,100 wheel.
Yep.
That's going to be an animal.
Yep. And responsive, torquey, responsive.
So it should be a good roll racing car.
Yeah, should hurt some feelings.
So high 8-second car, that's being built for the guys up at Emporium. So we've worked with those guys a few times now.
Yeah.
They're really good, Jake and James up there. So yeah, we're excited to see it. But today we're in our Stage 2 Plus car, which is basically our bread and butter. We sell probably 3 of these a month. This is the perfect kit for G80s. Everything is kind of tapped out at that point. This makes 750 wheel horsepower on our dyno. Connor's run a 9.7 on the street with this setup.
968.
968. So 20 grand, drive in, drive out. That includes, what does that include?
So that includes downpipes, intakes, that includes your extra fuel rail, extra injectors, motive reflex, wiring loom, femto unlock, and the MHD Plus tuning software.
Yep, so full flex fuel tune, 98 through to E85 and everything in between on MHD Plus. No map switching. I mean, the map switching that we do has got different boost levels, but if you're driving an all-wheel drive car, all you need is kill mode. All right, so you want to show us what this thing will do? You know I'm the worst passenger. So this is genuinely my reaction. Oh. Oh man, that actually makes you feel sick in the stomach. Everyone's going to think I faked that, but far out.
0 to an undisclosed speed, we'll say that.
Man. I mean, I kind of call it dollars per smile. Dollars per smile, you can't get better than that.
No. And that is faster than a supercar.
So we've got something else exciting to show you guys, a few things actually. So for the last 12 months, we've been working with the guys up at Emporium. Those guys have been doing our mechanical work, whilst we were working on the R&D of the tuning platforms, the various packages we were putting together, and whilst we've been developing our engine program. But the start of this year has really blown up for us, which has been awesome. We've had customers booking in Stage 2 packages, we've had 4 engine builds, and we've got a lot more to come. So with no further ado, here's our new workshop. Yeah, so this is literally day one in our workshop. These are genuine all customer cars. So we're absolutely been blown away this year from the support from our customers. And it was kind of that decision that when Connor came to me 4 weeks ago and said, hey, I've got this, this workshop that we can rent for pittance.
Needs a little bit of work.
Needs a little bit of work.
A lot of work.
I went there and saw it the next day and I thought, what the hell are you thinking about? This place was an absolute shithole. There was, like we'll show you photos, but it was stacked from top to bottom, just full of cars, old engines, pallet racking. And I went,
No lights, chunked floor.
what the hell are you
Broken
thinking?
windows.
Broken windows. I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? But Connor told me his vision. He told me about, you know, how we can be working with our engine builder next door and that kind of stuff. And we went, let's do it. Like, let's go all out like we do. We'll build something that customers are really proud of. So yeah, 4 weeks of working day and night. We threw a lot of money at the place, but I think the results speak for themselves. They look pretty awesome. So yeah, this is the work that we've got planned for the next week. So Connor, you want to talk us through all these cars?
So this 720S is in for just general McLaren maintenance, little gremlins that need sorting out.
Yep.
This one here is in for engine service, transmission service. It's getting 765 accumulators to reset all the leveling sensors in the suspension. This is our old shop car now, old shop car.
This is what started it all.
This is what started it all, yeah.
This is Let's Go. So took a deposit on this last night. So we're prepping it ready for the new buyer. They should pick that up next week. So yeah, a bit of a legacy. That'll be sad to see it go, but on to other projects.
This is Mohammed's car. We've done stage 2 plus on.
Yep.
You'll be seeing more of this as it progresses.
And we're prepping this one for the Grau roll racing event on the weekend. So yeah, I'm pretty confident this is going to do pretty well actually.
Yep. And we've got
More
blast
stories
from the past.
More stories. This is your old car.
This is my old M3.
Your very first car.
First M3,
First
yes.
M3, yeah.
It came to us with a sizable hole in the block that you could see straight through.
Yes, it's it had a hard life after you.
Oh.
Came to us from another workshop. Yeah, look, unfortunately, it didn't go down too well. The new owner bought it. 2 weeks later, it kind of exploded on a track day. So came to us. We took a look at everything. We quoted him a new engine.
Sourced a new engine.
Sourced a new engine. Built a new P1500 engine.
Yep.
So sleeved block, internals, 3 litre still, and this was already running a single turbo Turbo Smart.
It was a Turbo Smart, yep. We've had issues with that turbo. It actually failed due to damage from the engine as well. So it's got a new 6870 C-frame from Turbo Smart.
Which they were awesome to work with as well.
Fantastic.
We told them about the problem. They said, we'd love to help you guys out. They sent us a brand new turbo. Said,
Yep.
yeah.
There'll
So that was
be,
awesome.
yeah, a lot of work getting done with Turbo Smart in the future as well. So
Yep. So this car is almost ready to go. Just needs a couple of things. We've got a new catch can set up for that going in probably next week. And then that should be ready to go as well.
Yep.
And then we have another secret.
Another secret that we can introduce you all to.
So we have a new project.
This is Shop Car 2.0.
This is Shop Car 2.0. So we were kind of blown away with the amount of attention that the first wagon that we built got from the internet.
So we thought.
This car came up a couple of months ago for an absolute steal. It was a Wover car, so it's been repaired, and I always wanted a purple car. It was just something that we always joked about. If I ever got one again, it would be purple wagon,
Carbon buckets.
carbon buckets, Silverstone interior. So when this thing rocked up,
It was perfect.
it was perfect. I literally snapped it up the next day, and we thought we'll figure it out later. What are we going to do? So we're going to be starting this, and we are going all out. I mean, this is getting our entire package.
The current wagon world records are a cute little benchmark, but
This will absolutely break the world record.
Yeah.
We're going to do the build in 2 stages. So first thing that you're going to see starting from next episode is a full cosmetic outside and in renovation of this.
Yeah.
We are going super aggressive. It's
going to look very different.
You're not going to miss it. We're also going to be using this to fab up our single turbo package as well. So this will be running a, like I said, we are not mucking around. This will be running NOS, our 3.4 litre stroker. Like I said, this is getting absolutely everything.
Everything, yeah.
So we'll do this in 2 stages. We'll do all of the engine-based stuff. We'll do all of the cosmetic stuff. And then once we've got all that ready and dialed in, we've got a few other customer cars to finish off. And later in the year, we'll pull the engine, the gearbox out. We'll build our own 3.4 litre, build the engine.
Our turbo kit will go on, gearbox will be built in-house.
And
Everything
then
will be done here.
And then we will go and break some
Hurt
records.
feelings.
So yeah, super excited for 2025. Thank you to all of our customers who have supported us. It's meant the world to us. We will continue to put our absolute heart into these cars, and yeah, we look forward to taking you guys on the journey. So see you guys next episode.